you have 10 minutes. So give us the best points that you want to tell us about your robot, any missions you want to do. If you have a package to show us your design or any kind of documentation, feel free to hand it out to us. We're going to ask questions as we go along.
Okay, so this is one of our main tools right here.
Okay,
We call it the monster because it can eat everything.
okay. Oh, cool.
It goes through that, but then once you go back, it can't go back.
Oh, love
It
that.
walks up here.
Excellent, okay.
This is an extra thing we made, but we never really got around to using.
Okay,
It opens it up so that if we want to, we can also have it so that we can drop things too.
oh, okay, good.
This is the thing we use for the dumpster. We need all the black pieces for that. So, okay, I'll just run this first.
Whatever you think is the best one you want to show.
Let's run this
This one.
first, because then we can get black pieces.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so this is our first run.
Uh-huh.
This will clean up this area,
Okay,
practically drop this over it, and
Okay.
drag it back.
okay.
Drag it back.
That's okay, things happen.
The wood collector.
Oh, I know why.
Okay, yeah.
Anyways, one experimentation.
We should remember that.
Well, we have,
So
so,
pick something up?
yeah, we have black pieces, so.
So then we put this together,
Uh-huh.
we get the black pieces.
Okay,
Then we'll, under this, we'll put the animals in.
okay.
So, just goes like this. This, this. We put that at the underside,
Mm-hmm.
then you launch it.
It's not.
It's not stick. Oh, I did it wrong.
That's the model.
Yeah, and it's,
Anyways,
that's not,
it's the
it's not
model.
stick.
Okay.
So it drops the animal.
Drops the animal.
And then it will cover this.
Oh, wow, awesome, very good.
And that would be our
And then
last
we
one.
would just leave it there, so.
That would be our last one.
That'd be
But
it.
here,
We can retry this one because we know why it wasn't.
yeah, yeah. Here.
The cook's back, right? I'll give it back.
Which task was the most challenging to design for?
I'd say it might be the compost, because,
Oh, if you wouldn't mind resetting, yeah.
so whenever we like do this and it will go down, it'd be really kind of a challenge to get it back, because we push it and then come back, then we have another one and go pick it up. But sometimes we just push the compost back here instead of collecting it,
I see.
so.
Because we would be using this tool and sometimes it would accidentally push it before collecting it. And that was so useful. So what we did is we would take the tool, we would run it here up,
And then we like,
it would go
Oh,
up.
I see.
It would
Yeah.
go up, sort of,
and
once
then
it
we
tries
like
to
sort of go down.
Yeah, those fingers are loose and the grab and pull.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. 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 Okay, this. So that's all.
Wow,
That's
very
really
nice. I'm
beautiful.
gonna
That's a
practice
first.
it.
Yeah, show us that.
So our factory run is what we practice to do is we will go up and then we will push this. And then we back up here, come square to this line and do the factory. So you can let the choice
I just want to back.
It's called the deliverer?
Is there enough space?
Okay, wow.
Where's the
All the
box?
delivery. It doesn't deliver anything.
It's delivering the.
It was.
Oh,
Oh, push that.
It would push that. And then we align on the line right.
Oh,
Is it calibrated? No.
Oh, yeah, it wasn't calibrated.
okay, should we show how our tool works?
So our tool, what we do is we sort of go up here and then we like turn and stay there for
That's how it
0.5
works.
seconds. Then we let it come in and we back up.
And then go back to
Okay.
here.
So has this been working consistently for you? Or you
Yes.
just-
Yeah,
Yes.
like it has. We haven't gotten enough time to set up.
Yeah, we need to calibrate it.
Get to calibrate for it.
Because
But
we're
this is
sensing
what our
glass,
purpose
so we didn't
Right.
calibrate it.
So from the regional, did you make any modifications to this robot? Or
Oh,
is it the
yes.
same? What was the modification you made from
For
regional?
one, we dropped an entire run. In regionals, we had 6 runs in total. We had an issue with time, we had no time.
Okay,
Now we've dropped one entire run by doing other missions by combining missions.
okay,
For example, the first run, all it did was drop a box.
okay,
Now it collects the entire tower and brings it back.
okay, so this is a change from the regional.
Yeah, yes.
How about the design of the robot? So this is a change to the attachment, right?
Yeah.
Or did you change the programming code as well?
We also had to change programming, like, that one was inconsistent, no, the compost was inconsistent, we had
Okay.
to fix that.
Okay, so what did you do to fix that part?
We had to go more forward so that we found this out
Uh-huh.
by accident, that if the robot goes forward enough
Mhm.
into this, it will actually go up a little, like that,
Okay,
which means whatever's under here,
you get stuck.
we'll get, once we go down, we'll get stuck.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Okay.
that helped us collect the compost.
Okay,
And another change we made was,
Yeah,
Yeah, chocolate.
yeah, so for the factory one, we originally had the person with us. We would put the person here, but now we added it into the truck run. So
okay.
while going here, we have it attached to the arm, once it's up here, drop it.
Where's the person?
Right there.
Everything.
So any specific programming techniques that you want to highlight in your programming approach? Anything that you think is very innovative, very exceptional for your robot, that you'd like us to kind of highlight?
Well, we do have a sequencing program in which, in between robot runs, all we'll have to do is press the center button
Yeah,
to do the next run. So we
Okay.
don't have to go
Keep
around
looking
and
for them.
keep looking for them. And what this does is once it hits there, it will drop that there.
And we also collect this chocolate, I think we should.
Except the
GPS sensors.
animal one.
Sensors, GPS
yeah,
sensors.
no, please, go ahead.
No, not the drum.
Sensors, what type of sensors are you using in
We're
there?
using the color sensors a lot to align onto lines.
So you're using 2 color sensors?
Yeah.
both
Any
of
other
them.
sensor you're using?
Yeah, and in the beginning, we tried with the gyro
Oh yeah, but our
sensor.
gyro sensor is,
Yeah.
it's okay. It really does not like us, so it is, just drifts a lot, programs
Okay.
don't work on it. In fact, once we had something come up like, this block does not exist, which was strange.
So-
And we had to try to rebuild the entire program,
Uh-huh.
and even then it didn't work,
So do you still have it in there? What, are you using it for anything or you just have it in there?
we just never got around to taking it
Remove.
out.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Okay. About 30 seconds left. Any last comments? or-
Oh yeah, so
Do you wanna show us?
these are our unused tools. These are some of the tools we were going to use
This
earlier,
sort.
but they never worked out.
Uh-huh.
So this would have went up there and would have been a conveyor belt, dropping everything
Yeah.
in at a regulated pace. That didn't work, so we also made this basket thing that would have dumped everything in at once.
And we would have used this to like turn it,
Sure.
Yeah, turn
cause,
the gears, turn the gears.
Other way. It's upside down. Like, there you go.
it would.
It would.
Yeah.
If you had more time, do you think you might have developed these further?
Yeah, but
so
the
we'll
reason,
turn
the
this
reason
on.
why we didn't do that is because if we didn't drop these, all we would've gotten for that were 2
Two
more
extra
points.
ones, so it's not worth
I
it.
can see the motor's still there in the center for that.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's an integral.
Yes, well, thank you so much,
Okay.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Just put everything back if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Reset
Yeah.
for us?